for the summer, girl, your hair look killer. See your body getting bigger, but your waist looks slimmer. And I hope I'm still with you when your hair get thinner. I ain't gotta work it out, I know I'm onto a winner. And I love it when I see you sing a song in the mirror. When you play your favorite records where there ain't no filler. Chicka chai, chicka shy, DJ Dilla. Now I'm on the right track, went from a train to a limo. Now we on the right track. Yeah, used to know me back in college, now I got it like that. Could've gotten sidetracked, now I'm back on my feet. If I hadn't achieved, would you pack up and leave? Now you're scratching on me like we're Adam and Eve. Nigga remix to Ignition in the back of the Jeep. She like the hoop, but she don't know the words. She know I love her even if I never say the words.
You are something I can't replace. You made my heart beat. You make me stronger. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go. You are something I can't replace. You made my heart beat. You make me stronger. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go.
Struggling life, ready for your trouble and a couple of bites. Why don't you stay over here and keep me up in the night? And when you're coming in here, I do it just like you like. Girl, I'm ready for your loving, girl, I keep on pulling. You my lucky number that I keep on calling. Wanna never let me go, she said she fed up with joy. Because I kiss her in the night and then I leave in the morning. I tell her one.